Welcome to another vlog. This is a daily vlog in Bangkok. I'm coming at you right now from the Prince Palace Hotel. It is extremely opulent. It's the best $50 hotel you can get in the whole world, I believe. Check it out. Our rooms are nice. Got a huge view of the skyline. They have everything here. They've got 2 pools. They've got like 2 or 3 restaurants. Yeah, we're being well looked after. Yeah, they've got a karaoke bar, cafe. That's on like the top floor. This ballroom is like a function place. And another tower. Beautiful sunset bar here on like the 23rd floor. They got everything, trust me. Social distancing still in practice, or in theory, here in Bangkok. And well, I've noticed they like white people in their advertisements all around Asia, like India, Malaysia, Thailand. It's a bit of like a internalized racism, possibly. But I'm bringing you down this elevator just to show you the markets that surround this hotel. So here you've got a whole underground market, and then this one comes through. Thais love wearing slacks, like suit pants. They look very sleek, and every market has them, and they're cheap. They look good. And we continue through here. Okay, nothing that's caught my eye. These shirts actually. It appears to be traditional designs. Hi, very nice shirts. I'm looking for something good in the hot weather, something light.
How about that?
Yeah, these ones.
Yes.
Oh yeah, they're perfect. They are very light.
There are many size.
Many sizes?
This is medium size.
Medium? How much is this one?
180 for one and 450 for 3.
Okay. So 180 baht is about $8-9. How do I look?
Good.
Is it for me? Is it my one?
I have a small, middle.
Maybe a large? I don't actually know if I'm gonna wear this. Hey, I'm not sure if the design is too out there for me. Yeah. Thanks, mate. See you. I wasn't planning on buying anything, but he sold it to me. It's lightweight, and I'm always getting too hot in any shirt that isn't this one. In Asia, you need like really light clothes. Otherwise, you just sweat it up too much. So these are the canals. The city has hundreds of canals all around. And this is a local boat. You jump on, takes you up and down for like 50 cents. And it's the fastest way to travel around Bangkok because traffic here is insane. So we got more markets here. I don't need to buy anything else, but they're cool. I like that. Bangkok has a bit of it's a little renowned for vintage clothing. I've seen some really great vintage clothing stores around Bangkok, and they got like vintage Levi's, all vintage brand names for really cheap. And there's actually a lot of graffiti in the city. A lot of it is foreigners, but at the same time there's a lot of Thai graffiti, more so than in other Asian cities. So it's good to see. See, it's these sleek suit pants again. Now they are here in shorts. Oh yeah. Maybe that would be my next purchase. Check out this graffiti. Sawasdi. So that's, I'm gonna assume that's Thai. This is a Thai artist. So to see this kind of art, street art around Bangkok, that's awesome, because as I just said, a lot of Asian countries, they don't have it like this. Authorities crack down on it too much, and yeah, I don't mind a bit of street art. It gives a city character, 100%. So more markets, and this is just right outside of the hotel. So you need a place to stay in Bangkok which has everything at your doorstep. Prince Palace is the place, and it's got really good street food around. So I haven't eaten, we need to find some food. I'm not sure what I'm gonna go for at this stage. This is a completely other different canal than the one we were just walking around. They're really all over the city. So I don't know which way to go, whether we go straight or we take a left down here. I'm feeling straight. Back here cuts back up to the hotel. So this is the entrance to the hotel. You'll see the big pink. That's Tower A of Prince Palace. Main foyer is up there. I'm tipping there's some food around here. Yeah, I already see some food. So what do we have? Sawadee krap. Ooh. Some nuts and beetroot, carrot. Ah, you roast them. Roast veggies, is it? Alright, I won't go for that one. Thank you. It's very healthy, just steamed veggies. We got a lot of pineapple here. I reckon I want some pineapple. 20 baht?
Yeah.
Alright, good deal. Thank you very much. Cup and cup. Thai pineapples, Thai bananas, they're the best in the world, honestly. Let's get a piece of it. Super sweet. It's like a lolly. It's good. Look, even more fruit. Yeah. Dragon fruit. Wow. Hi. This is where they come from. 3 for 100 baht, or 40 each, so that's $2 for one or 3 for $5. Wow, it's jackfruit. Whoa, check out these power lines. How that makes sense. So we're gonna continue on because there's many infinite amounts of experiences and adventures to be had right down here at the bottom of Prince Palace Hotel. What else are we gonna find? Here you can get, well, iced coffee. How about Thai tea? Thai tea? Can I get one? Thank you. Thai tea is a beautiful thing. It's caramel flavored tea. It's just amazing. I'm gonna miss it. We're leaving Thailand today for Cambodia, and the Thai tea is gonna be sorely missed. These drink stalls, they're really Thai's baristas. You got your coffee fix from here, Thai tea fix, but you can also get these fruit drinks, which I have not tried, but I'm sure they're extremely refreshing. Cup and cup. Alright. They always assume that you want a plastic bag. It's caramel. It's like caramel tea. That's essentially how Thai tea tastes to me. Very milky. We can get more seafood, or here we can get pad thai. Do you have pad thai? Okay. What do you have? Noodles? Or... Oh, finished, okay. Some street vendors, their working hours, they'll set up about 9, start cooking 9:30, and then pack up by 12:30. I'm not sure what's in there. Fishball soup. Okay, so pad thai is the national dish, but a very popular dish in Bangkok is fishball soup. It's like reconstructed fish rolled into balls, and you eat it with noodles and soup. It's not for me. Hi, what is this? It's pork?
Yes.
Pork? Okay, so, oh, they're little yum cha, like pork balls.
Take away or here?
No, here.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm excited trying something completely different. I'm getting some of this. Oh yeah, let's get that sweet chili sauce onto it. Oh, what the hell, this is yum. I want to say this is one of the best things I've eaten in Thailand, but I can say that about pretty much everything I eat here. Well, 90% of the meals I've had. So that's finished. We're gonna walk back down this market because back there is the main road, and that's to be avoided. Like, how is this? It's just a little shrine, Buddhist shrine of some sort, next to this tree. So this is what they pray to. She does appear to be Indian. Is this a Buddhist shrine? Yeah, I think it's Buddhist. It's hard to say though. Language barrier in Bangkok is very real. I would have no hope trying to find out what that shrine was for. Language barrier is extremely difficult, I found in Thailand. A lot of the food places, we just point at the photos. Because if they don't have photos, yeah, we've somehow ended up with like very questionable meals. See, we continue to walk through markets. Another Thai barista. And all these buildings, they're all from going back at least 100 years old. Before tourism had really set in. Before the Vietnam War, before all the American soldiers would come to Thailand. Go to the Thai beaches on their holidays. And nowadays, Thailand is a real tourist mecca. So this is the hotel, Prince Palace. And you got all this right outside of it. I've eaten in there, there's very good pad thai, very good chicken curries. If you want a football Guernsey, they're about $10. Wonder if my nieces would like this one. See? It's where we're staying. What are these? Ooh, hi. This is banana. Ooh, yum. Thailand's fried banana. I mean, I've just eaten a bunch of food, so I can't now, but I wish I saw that earlier, because their fried banana, it's amazing. It's like, it gets crispy and caramelized on the outside. It's beautiful, beautiful stuff. So coming into the hotel, the main, oh no, this is the back lobby. So this is, yeah, the back entrance. Well, very opulent, as you can see. Oh, here we are, back to where we started. It's been a bit of an adventure. I ate Thai pork dumplings, delicious. I ate that stuff for the first time, and I bought a t-shirt. It's been awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna head up to my room, pack for Cambodia. Thanks for watching, and see you over in Cambo.